2013 AD wagon, Nissan AD wagon. Okay. Well, today we are going to talk about the hesitation and upon acceleration. This can be caused by quite a few problems. First of all, I'm going to talk about the airflow, the air filter. This is how you change the air filter. You just pop off the cap and you slide it out there. Okay, so this is the air filter. This can be a cause. It's very easy to change. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. Then you have the throttle body. It can become clogged and dirty, full of soot. Now this can cause the acceleration as the butterfly closes and opens. So it is recommended that it be sprayed out with some carburetor cleaner. You understand? And then you have the MAF sensor. That's this little thing here. Yes. You have the MAF sensor cleaner that should clean it. It can also be dirty, causing the car to hesitate upon acceleration. Also, you have what you call a clogged radiator. That means the radiator needs to be ratted out. Yeah, the water is not being circulated properly. That also can cause the hesitation. You also have the plugs. The plugs are underneath here are the coil packs. Coil pack and plugs. That is this here. There are 4 of them. They can also be a source of the hesitation or misfiring. Now, those are the reasons why car AD wagon might be misfiring or hesitating upon acceleration. Like and subscribe my video.